Code coverage refers to the measure of how much of your source code is executed by your unit tests or other tests. Most code coverage tools work by first instrumenting your code with some code that will keep track of what lines of code were executed and what caused them to be executed. Then the tool will run your tests against the instrumented code to produce a report of what code was actually executed. Usually that raw report data is transformed into some readable format that gives you the percentages of code executed and other useful information. After getting JUnit integrated into your Ant or Maven build, you may find that you would like to have some code coverage reports so that you can see how much of your code JUnit tests are actually exercising. There are many different options for generating code coverage reports with JUnit. I'm going to cover just a couple of the most common methods. First, we're going to see how to install a plugin for Eclipse called ECL Emma. This plugin will allow you to generate code coverage information directly in Eclipse when you're running your tests. This can be very useful for getting immediate feedback on how effective your tests are. The other tool I'm going to show you is called CodeCoverage. It's a mature code coverage tool for JUnit that you can use to automate your code coverage reports so that you can have your build system generate the code coverage reports when it runs your tests. We're not going to go into all the details of setting that one up, but I'm going to give you some resources where you can find out more information about that and give you the general idea of how it works.